A chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. Southwest.
I hate to break it to you, but I've seen that before. It's a magic trick. It's not a myth.
This isn't, but there's a video that's been making the rounds on the web that is a twist to this trick that I think is right up our alley.
And that is?
In this clip, a table as long as a bus and set for a banquet has its tablecloth pulled out from under all its settings without disturbing any of them, using only the power of a super souped-up motorcycle.
Now you're talking.
Thought you'd like it.
In this viral video, rather than a quick flick of the wrist, it's a quick flick of the accelerator. And abracadabra, the tablecloth disappears, and a perfectly laid table remains. But is this turbocharged trick true, or just special effects sorcery?
So what's the plan?
Well, since this is in fact a trick that people do every day, I think we should spend some time unpacking the mechanics of exactly what makes it work.
Small-scale test down on the floor of the shop?
Exactly. We're going to scale this up to a fairly impossible dimension, and I suspect that a lot of factors, object heaviness, cloth type, cable type, all of these things might affect our success on that scale. Thus, in the small scale, we need to learn what factors are critical to making it work.
And with the table made, Adam can focus on his hocus pocus.
Dude, are you ready?
I'm all ready.
Well, there's a vote of confidence. Tablecloth full in 3, 2, 1. Oh!
That wasn't bad for a first try.
That was not bad for a first try. Okay, it's still pretty bad for a first try.
Not bad, but clearly there are some tricks to this trick. So next, it's time for Adam to button those down.
The table jumped all over the place. I think we can address that with a simple sandbag. 2, when I feel this, it's plywood. It's pretty rough. I think we can make it.
Just be courtesy. That's all it takes. Be nice. I'll eventually get up there soon. I'm always in a hurry.